I've seen those movies with dogs.
What are you watching?
The same old thing.
I've already seen this 100 times.
Yeah, but is there anything better on? Oh, I'm sick of the stupid TV. I'm paying for something that I've seen 100,000 times. What?
Hi, Beth.
Hello. Is Mike around here?
No.
No.
I'll just make myself a grilled cheese.
Okay. You know, instead of watching TV, why don't we go outside and make a fire? That sounds a lot better.
You mean like this?
No, not like that. We'll go out to the fire pit.
Somebody got drinks out for us already. Oh, have a seat, babe.
Okay.
Oh, let's get things started over here. Babe, I'm gonna go chop us some wood. I'll be right back.
So, where'd Captain Dale go?
He went to go get some wood for the fire.
Okay. Hey, drinks.
More!
It's okay.
No problem. It's
all
plenty.
right.
Enough.
More!
It's kind of getting late. I mean, the mosquitoes are coming out. And
Yeah.
Shit. More!
So, you haven't seen Mike around?
No. No.
No,
that's enough.
That's enough, really.
That's
Come on.
plenty.
That's
Don't
okay.
need any more. Don't.
Well, it'd just have to do. Hey, we got the fire going, and this is a lot better than sitting in the house and watching TV, isn't it? We can take and listen to the, fire crackling. Well, babe, here's your drink.
Oh, I think I just felt a raindrop.
Oh, me too.
No. It can't rain. No. It... No, it can't rain. Not on my beautiful fire. No. Ah, son of a gun. Man, I'm gonna sit out here and I'm gonna enjoy this anyway. Can't put my fire out. Hey, no!